Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever you might be watching. I'd like to show you a very neat little routine in Excel that helped to overcome a problem that one of my clients had. They had inherited a spreadsheet which had the name of various customers with results down here in a results column. The problem that they had was they wanted to add the results above for each of the names and show those results in the first blank cell below the results. The problem that they had, as we scroll down here, was that there weren't just 4 or 5 names. There were many names, and the results went down hundreds of rows. There were, from memory, there were 40 or 50 names. What they started to do was to copy and paste from these two columns over here. But of course, what happened with all of the names, the spreadsheet started to become quite unwieldy, quite time consuming, and it wasn't the best solution to what they could have done. So obviously, if we look down here, we can see that they've added those cells above there, which were the numbers that were involved here when they copied and pasted that information. Then they copied and pasted that one, etc. Then they auto-filled the formulas across, got rid of the 2 zeros that appeared here, and it took them a long time. There was a better solution. The solution was this. What they could have done was to have clicked on the first number and then scroll down to the last, held down the shift key and selected all of the numbers. Scrolled to the top, clicked on the home tab, clicked on the find and select button over here, or pressed F5 and go to special. Then what they would have needed to have done was to click on the constants button, which will show and select all of the numbers, and then click OK. Now, with those numbers still selected as constants, all I had to do then was to click on the autosum button, and it showed the total of all of the numbers just above, but in the first blank cell below, because you'll notice that there are uneven numbers of blank cells that are spread throughout this particular information. So that would have been a quick and easy way to have done it. And then, of course, to make the cells stand out that have the answers in them, what they could have done again was to have selected all of the data, scroll down, gone to the very bottom, and this time we'll use the F5 key. It just saves a tick, and then had they put a dot in formulas and clicked OK, all the cells with the formulas in them would be selected, and then it would have been handy perhaps to have filled those cells with colour to make them stand out, maybe put a border around them, just outside borders would be fine, and there are the answers. So hopefully you've found that procedure handy. Remember, we use the F5 key to achieve the result, or the find and select drop down list and go to special, because that allowed me to select constants and formulas in the cells. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we also happen to likes and comments. Thanks for watching, guys and gals. See you next time.